The ultimate mind hack? Imagine your mind invaded, every thought exposed, every secret laid bare. What if someone could read your mind? Potentially hack, steal, control. Neuralink dares to shatter the sanctity of your inner world. Like Neo in the Matrix, Neuralink's filings hint at exposed minds. This isn't sci-fi, it's fact. On March 3, 2025, Neuralink filed trademark applications for telepathy and telekinesis. Imagine quadriplegics texting, gaming, controlling drones, with power like Iron Man's suit. But with power comes risk and responsibility. Welcome to Macaverse Beta. We connect the dots. A human story of hope and triumph. Meet Nolan Arbaugh. On 28th of January 2024, after a tragic diving accident, he became the first recipient of Neuralink's N1 chip. His story is hope, resilience, and second chance. Nolan's journey is not just a medical breakthrough, it is our rallying cry for human defiance against the odds. Using his mind, Nolan controls a cursor, sends texts, plays games. His viral videos from Neuralink official account show a miracle in motion, a real-life demonstration of brain-computer interface BCI technology. It feels like I've been given a second chance, says Nolan. For someone who once lost the use of all four limbs, this breakthrough is a chance to reclaim independence. Yet even miracles come with technical hurdles. Danger lingers behind every breakthrough. The ethical and privacy abyss. Forbes reveals Neuralink's patents hint at brain-to-brain communication. Ask, if your innermost thoughts become digital data, who will guard your mind? What if your thoughts are stolen? Could governments, companies, or hackers access your neural signals? Experts warn our mind's data might soon be traded like a commodity. Trademark attorney Josh Gerben says, the ethical, privacy, and security concerns surrounding thought-based communication and control are immense. Your thoughts are your final frontier. Uncover the risks and the potential for unprecedented control. Is Neuralink here to help people or to consolidate power? Biblical echoes and modern warnings. Even the Bible warns, unchecked ambition can become a curse. In Genesis, the Tower of Babel shows humanity's attempt to reach the heavens, only to be thwarted by divine intervention. Imagine if that ambition, now digitized and manipulated. The Book of Revelation describes a future where a mark strips away personal freedom, symbolized by the number 666. As we merge minds with machines, could Neuralink trade freedom for convenience? History shows noble ambitions can spiral into disaster. Should we balance these warnings with the potential for positive change, like restoring independence for those with severe disabilities? When your thoughts become data, where do free will and privacy end and control begin? Power plays. Brain data, digital arms race, and ethical question. Neuralink's experimental blind sight implant, designed to restore vision even for those who have lost their eyes or optic nerves, has received FDA-breakthrough device status, emphasizing both its promise and the urgent need for regulation. Rapid rollouts raise concerns. The clock is ticking. Innovation and regulation are in a race against time. While Neuralink champions medical breakthroughs, critics warn that the same technology could be weaponized. The Pentagon is already funding brain-computer research to give soldiers an unprecedented battlefield advantage. United States Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, is actively exploring brain-computer interfaces for soldiers. Revolutionizing warfare, N3 technology empowers soldiers with portable, non-invasive brain-machine interfaces, shattering the boundaries of current neural tech. Imagine soldiers directing drones at the speed of thought, transforming them into super warriors with the Iron Man-like precision. This is not science fiction. It is the precipice of a new warfare paradigm. Neuralink's trademark filings for telepathy and telekinesis on March 3, 2025 seems to be just the beginning of a race. Whether it is a sprint or a marathon, time will tell. 3 patients now, plans for 30 more. Musk has hinted reaching millions of users by 2030 or beyond. Jacob Turner, author of Robot Rules, Regulating Artificial Intelligence, warned in Wired, it is not hard to imagine less benign uses of this technology. The competition, Neuralink versus Synchron. In this high-stakes race, every second counts. Elon Musk's Neuralink faces fierce competition. Synchron recently received FDA approval for human trials, heating up the race to connect minds and machines. With competitor Synchron gaining FDA approval, the neural race is intensifying. Is Musk racing towards a miracle, or are we hurtling towards a digital dictatorship? The mind's last bastion in data sovereignty. In a world ruled by AI, your neural data could soon be the ultimate currency. Our very thoughts are at risk of being commodified. Imagine every spark of creativity stored and traded. Is this the price of progress? A world where your thoughts could be bought and sold. ALS, or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease, is a progressive neurodegenerative disease that affects nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord, leading to severe muscle weakness and loss of control. Tech like Cognition's Axon R offers a hope in a BCI headset, giving ALS patients a voice. It combines augmented reality AR, electroencephalography EEG, and artificial intelligence AI in a self-contained headset. This innovative device enables precise measurement and modulation of brain activity. But who controls your mind? The battle for data sovereignty protects what makes us human. The future, humanity redefined. Enter a world on the brink of a revolution in human identity. Elon Musk envisions millions of Neuralink users by 2030 and beyond. Imagine reclaiming independence, supercharging your mind, and unlocking breakthroughs that redefine humanity. Consider the blind sight implant FDABreakthrough, yet risks remain colossal. In a data-driven world, who controls your destiny? Whether you're a tech-savvy Gen Z, a dynamic millennial, a seasoned baby boomer, or an expert in neuroscience, this revolution is yours to shape. This story matters to us all, as this technological advancement could become the fundamental shift in human identity. The choice is yours. A miraculous leap or the dawn of total mind control? Is Neuralink humanity's greatest medical miracle, or history's most terrifying mind control technology? The answer isn't black and white. Stay curious. Subscribe to Macaverse Beta as we continue to explore whether relentless AI and technological innovations will serve humanity or ultimately control it. If you value transparency and ethical innovation, smash that like button and comment below. Would you embrace a Neuralink chip, or is the risk too high? Join the debate. Like, share, and comment to shape the future of our minds. Subscribe for more deep dives into breakthrough tech. Your mind is powerful and vulnerable. Neuralink 2025 is here. The future unfolds before our eyes. Let's shape it together.